Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Right, let's have a look at this one now. Indices 2 to the power of x squared equals 8 to the power of 2x plus 9. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice here is that the base numbers are not the same. Okay, and all of our rules of indices and logs are built on having base numbers the same. Okay, and not for indices, but really for logs, we have this rule that will change the base to make them the same to allow us to use all the rules. So really your first job is to match up the base numbers. Okay, this is the base number, this is the power. So I'm looking at 2 and I'm looking at 8 and I'm wondering, well, which base numbers, what base number could they share? And 2 is one that would make sense. Why? Because 2 by 2 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, or 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Okay, so I could rewrite 8 then as 2 to the power of 3. Okay, and leave the power alone. Okay, so what did I do there? Nothing much. I just rewrote 8 using a base number of 2. Okay, so I'm going to tidy up this side now because it is this rule here. I have a power raised to a power. So to simplify it, I can multiply out those two powers. Okay, so I have a power raised to a further power. So on the right hand side, this is 2 to the power of x squared is equal to 2 to the power of 3 times 2x plus 9. Or 2 to the power of x squared is equal to 2 to the power of 6x plus 27. Okay, now at this stage, what you can do is just like we've been doing all along, we can get rid of base 2. Okay, and what we really do is we use this rule here. So we have base 2 here. Okay, so if I get log to the base 2 of that, the 2 and the log to the base 2 cancels and I'm left with just what's in the power. Okay, so in theory what I'm going to do is log to the base 2 of both sides, because what I do to one side I have to do to the other. These are going to cancel and I'm left with just x squared being equal to 6x plus 27. Okay, so that's mathematically what's happening behind the scenes. In many cases, this line here, I'll just rewrite it out here so you can see it. We often describe it as when the base numbers are the same, drop the base numbers and let the powers equal each other. Okay, so this mathematically is what's happening behind the scenes. This is how it's often described for simplicity. So that looks like a bit of a quadratic. So let's solve them. X squared minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. Split my x squared into x and x. Factors of minus 27, minus 9, 18, 27, plus 9 minus 3. Which one of them gives me minus 6 in the middle? It's the top one. So minus 9 plus 3 goes in there. X is equal to 9. X is equal to minus 3. Okay, so these are the solutions where 2 to the power of x squared would be equal to 8 to the power of 2x plus 9. Okay, so two solutions for this one. Of course, you can check them. You can just sub in the 9 and make sure that the left-hand side equals the right. If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice? In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in Maths to qualify. Check out the link below.